Very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. Okay, welcome back to all my dear students. Now we are going to start one new chapter, that is grade 10 history. And the name of the chapter, as you can see in the screen, the age of industrialization, means we are going to get deeper into the age of industrialization. Means we will learn all about industries, what really happened at that time, in the previous time, in the industries, and what not happened. We will just start learning all those things. About this chapter is all about full of industries, how it started and what was there before the industries also. So first of all, you can see in the screen there are two photographs have been shown, and in the first screen you can see a lot of smoke is coming out, a lot of smoke coming out from the factories, or you can say industries there. And in the second photograph also you can see a lot of structures are there, you can see there. So what really the meaning, what is the really meaning, the meaning of industrialization, and that you can see over there in the screen. And the last sentence you can see there, industrialization means what? The development of industries in a country on a wide scale. Wide scale means not one single industry, there should be a lot of industries in the country. And if those industries will be developed, or if those industries will increase in number, then you can say yes, that industrialization is going on in that country, or you can say that particular country is good in industrialization. Means a series of industries should be developed, or you can say that it should be started in a particular country, then only you can say that there is industrialization in that country. Now what about our Bihar? Is our Bihar good in the industries, or you can whether you can say that there, we can say that industrialization is growing up in Bihar? So my dear students, I really feel sorry for this one, that we can't say that industrialization is growing in Bihar, but we still can say that industrialization is growing in our country. It's growing up, and we at once and one day we will be at the top also. But with all the efforts of all the citizens of the country, including my youth, including the students, means including you people also, you will have to work for the industries also, so that it can grow up in the future. Now let us move ahead to the next topic of the chapter. Oh, there is one more image, my dear students, and you can see in the image that it is written dawn of the century, and it is written that march and two step, and it has been, this particular painting has been painted by E.T. Paul and company. And what is there in the, you can see, just you will have to see that a particular woman and a girl is standing on an eagle, and you can see that eagle is flying. So it means that girl is flying, you know, it's just rising high. And over here you can see, my dear students, that you can see some part of the machines are there. Here is also, you can see there are part of machines. Here you can see railways are also there. You can see over here cars also there. And here you can see different type of machines are being implemented, they are being applied, or you can see it has been developed there. So that is the dawn of the century. It means what? The century, the best thing of the century is coming up, and industrialization is rising high and high, and it's flying, है ना, कोई भी चीज जो है वो आसमान छू रहा है. Means the industries are rising high and high. That is here over depicted over here with the help of this particular image. Now let us see what is written there. Dawn of the century, you can read out, published by E.T. Paul Music Company, New York. और क्या लिखा है? England, and year भी लिखा है, and one year is also written there, that the year is 1900, that the year is 1900, you can see there. So New York, England में ये publish किया गया था, और किसने publish किया है? E.T. Paul Music Company एक है, और उसने ये म्यूजिक का हो सकता है कोई कैसेट वगैरह हो, So they have painted this image, they have used that image, dawn of the century. और क्या image में information था we have discussed. Now here's, let's test the era of industrialization as next topic. Test the era means let us see a few more details about the industrialization. As you can see from the illustration that I have just showed you, at the center of the picture, a goddess-like figure was there. That we have seen, a goddess-like figure, a female figure was there, and that female figure over here is depicted as the angel of progress, bearing the flag of the new century. You can see she was also bearing a flag. Let us see again. She is also bearing a flag, and you can see, and the flag written is what? Century is written there. So that particular goddess figure like image, that image of that female figure is showing, and it is, she is holding also the flag of the new century. She is telling that new century has come up, and new century has come up with the new progress in the industries. Railways have been developed, and many machineries have been developed. New industries are getting developed, and after development getting new height of development. She is gently perched on a wheel of wings, symbolizing time. Now you can see she is also, she landed on the wings of an eagle, that we have seen also, and that symbolizes time, that time is running out, time is just flying high, and we should also match with the time. Her flight is taking her into the new future. She's flying, and she's just changing the current situation of the country. The current situation is changing into the new one, and she is taking us into the future. That image is telling a lot of things, giving a lot of message. Floating about behind her are the signs of progress, and that we have also seen that there were many signs of progress behind her, and beside in the picture, railway, camera, machines, printing press, everything was there, factory, so we have seen that image, and we must see it very closely, then only we can also understand what are the things available in that picture, and what that picture is trying to show us. That picture is trying to show us the sign of progress, है ना? किस चीज का प्रोग्रेस दिखा रहा है? साइन ऑफ प्रोग्रेस, कि हम लोग प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं. हमारे कंट्री में, in our country also, and in many countries also, railway were not there along back, but now we are having railway. So that is the part, or you can say that is the test of the industrialization, my dear students. Oh, even we have just developed camera. Now we are having and using camera in our mobile phones. We can see, before, just I'm telling you, just 10 years back, I'm telling about 10 years back or 15 years back, we were using different type of camera which was having a roll also inside, and only 33 or 35 photos can be taken, and after taking those photos we have to develop it. And I once in a time I went for a picnic with my colleagues and with my friends also. So we were just sharing, okay, 3 photos we will take each one of us. So now the things have been developed. Now we have this particular mobile in our hand, and we can take as many photos as we wish without any limitation. There is only limitation of memory, and if you increase the memory, you can take a lot of photos without any limitation. So that is the development, my dear student. That is the future. That particular image, that lady, that angel of progress, that goddess like figure was trying to show that we are marching towards a new century, we are marching towards the future. And camera, and not only camera, machines, even printing press have been developed, and now we can print within seconds. Just press Ctrl P and enter, and you will get the printout in your hand. But previously, when there was no printer, people were rubbing and printing all the things and with their hands manually. And that is also one of the chapter, my dear students, we are going to learn in our next class, after this chapter, about the printing industries. In this chapter we'll look at this history by focusing first on Britain. So we will start from Britain, the first industrial nation. See, MCQ can come in the examination. You might be asked the first industrial nation. So you'll have to remember the name. The name is what? Britain. Britain, the first industrial nation. And then India. We will read the history about India, that how in India industries have been developed. That is in our chapter, where the pattern of industrial change, and in India where the pattern of industrial change was conditioned by colonial rule. So my dear students, we all know that India was under the British rule. We were colonized. We were under the stronger power, that is the British nation, and our industries developed from that time. It started developing from the colonial time. We will discuss about that progress also in India, about the industries under the colonial rule, that we were having a lot of condition, and we were being forced for some conditions. We will have to follow the conditions, then only we can run our industries. So that we will learn in the second part of the chapter. First of all, we will start from the chapter about Britain and its industries. So let us see. Oh my God, there is one more photograph. Now let us see how much you get it from this photograph, from this image. You can see over here the name of the image has been written as the two magicians. दो magicians हैं आपके सामने हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. The one magician is what you can see. It is Aladdin, है ना? और आप लोगों ने सुना होगा. You might have learned this particular story of Aladdin and the lamp, है ना? The magic lamp. So Aladdin जो है, he can change the world within minutes, within seconds, and he will tell his particular friend, and that who is residing in the magic lamp, and that particular friend of his, who is residing in the magic land, can change and can bring down the industries, can develop palaces, can develop anything within minutes. That is one thing, that is the imagination, my dear student. That is only imagination. You can imagine, and this really can't happen. It can't happen within minutes, such things. And on the other hand, what you see over here, that there is a industrial labor, who is having some tools in his hands, and he is just making, and he's just using his techniques, his skills, his hard labor he is using, and he made such things. You can see the ships are also there, and you can see high-rise buildings are there, and you can see over here. So one is the method, by hard working you can develop all these things, and one is the method that with the help of your friend, or with the help of magic you can do. So magic doesn't work in the real world, my dear students. We have to focus on this industrial level, man. We will have to work. Even the mechanical engineers nowadays, or previous also, they used to work as a labor, as they are mechanical engineers. They are engineers, but they will have to dress up like the laborers, and they will have to work for the growth of the country and the industries where they are working. So this particular image has also been published in Land Printers, that is 26 January 1901. ये इमेज में क्या दिखाया गया है, that we have seen, है ना, कि एक मैजिक लैम्प से किया जा सकता है और एक मेहनत से किया जा सकता है ना. It shows two magicians. The one at the top is Aladdin from the Orient. अब आपको पता हो ये Orient का मीनिंग क्या है? Orient are just stories, है ना, जो कहानियों में होता है. And here Aladdin, who has built a beautiful palace with his magic lamp. उसने एक बड़ा अच्छा beautiful palace बनाया है, अपने magic lamp से बनाया उन्होंने. One more thing, my dear students, I would like to say the one at the bottom, and the one at the bottom is the modern mechanic. और नीचे में जो फोटो के नीचे में दिखाया जा रहा था वो कौन है? That is the modern mechanic. Okay, so we were talking about the two magicians. The first image was showing about the Aladdin from the Orient, who built a beautiful palace with his magic lamp. And the other, at the below that image, at the bottom we have seen the modern mechanic, who with his modern tools weaves a new magic. Weaves means उन्होंने भी, है ना, that new modern mechanic has also weave, and उन्होंने बुन दिया है क्या, एक नया magic बुन दिया है. And he has built that modern mechanic has built bridges, ships, towers, and high-rise buildings that we have seen in the image. So ये modern mechanic, we can believe on the modern mechanic that we can do it, but we can't believe on Aladdin and such stories. That can't be taken, that can't be happen in one night. And what we have seen in Aladdin and that story, that magic lamp. Aladdin is shown as representing East and the past, while the mechanic stands for the West and the modernity. Now you will have to decide whom you have to follow. Whether you want to follow Aladdin, that is East and the past, you want to follow the past, or you want to move ahead with the West and the modernity. है ना, वी से ना, हम लोग अभी भी फॉलो करते हैं, वी many time used to follow the western countries, है ना, we used to follow their language, we used to follow their dresses, western dress, western language we want to use, and we want to grow up with them. We always try, and we think that they are the modern people. But on the other hand, I would like to suggest my students that we'll have to remember our tradition, our culture also. हम लोगों को अपना ट्रेडिशन, अपना कल्चर भी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. Yes, we have to accept the modern things, we have to accept, and we will have to go on. These images offer us a glorious account of the modern world, है ना. The image that we have seen, है ना, that is at the bottom, that particular image was showing us the account of the modern world, कि modern world में क्या क्या possibilities है. Within this account of the modern world, which is associated with rapid technological change and innovation. Yes, obvious. If you are learning computer also, है ना, computer education you're also getting. So a lot of time, within months or 2 months or 3 months or not more than 6 months, there is a change in the software. Everywhere, every time you will say there is new development in the field of computer. The field of computer is the most advanced one, where new things are happening every day. So in this modern world, not only in computer but machines, factories, and there are a lot of innovations that is going on day by day, and every day you will have to face a new challenge. And एक नए, now there was, suppose that there was a clerk working in a school, and he was not knowing about tally, and tally, that is the software that used to maintain accounts. But nowadays everywhere you can see that tally has been implemented, and those person who are not knowing, they will have to advance, they will have to learn that particular new software or new technologies. So what I want to say over here, that this is the age of rapid technological change and innovation. आप जो हम लोग एज में जो रह रहे हैं, ये जो अब एज है, जो एरा है, ये एरा किस चीज का है, ये टाइम किस चीज का है, रैपिड टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस का है, नए नए इनोवेशंस का है, नए आइडियाज के हैं. आपके पास नए आइडिया है तो फिर आपको लोग जो है अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, दे विल एम्ब्रेस यू, they would like to work with you, and they will want to get a lot of things from you. So the most important thing over here is innovation and the technological change. How rapidly you are changing and you are accepting the new technologies, it depends all upon you, my dear student. Don't try to run away from the new innovation. Don't try to run away from the new technologies. Try to accept the new technologies, check it, and try to improve it for the society also. So this is the age of rapid technological change, my dear students. This is the age of machines. This is the age of factories. And this is the age of railways and steamships. This is the age of what? Flying high in the sky. Don't wait for anyone. Just start up from today. The history of industrialization thus becomes simply a story of development. That is quite interesting, my dear students. The history of industrialization is directly proportional to the story of development. ये हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन क्या है? डेवलपमेंट का एक स्टोरी है जो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि हाउ इंडस्ट्रीज हैव बीन डेवलप्ड फ्रॉम so small to change into a big large one, new modern technologies that is we are going to study in this chapter. And the modern age appears as a wonderful time of टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस. मॉडर्न एज जो है, अब क्या नजर आता है मॉडर्न एज में कि इट इज ए टाइम ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस. अब टेक्नोलॉजी को प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है, करना भी चाहिए. एवरी डे कुछ ना कुछ आप देखेंगे नया आते रहता है. व्हाट्सएप हो या ये जूम ऐप हो, दैट यू आर ऑल यूजिंग टू लर्न, और एनीथिंग एल्स, है ना, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, ये सब टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस है. और बहुत सारे डिफरेंट एप्स जिसमें आप फेसेस चेंज कर सकते हैं, वॉइस चेंज कर सकते हैं. ये सब क्या है? दिस आर ऑल द प्रोग्रेस इन द टेक्नोलॉजी. सो दिस इज द एज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, माय डियर स्टूडेंट. तो आप लोगों को, हम लोगों को साथ में चलना है टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में, टेक्नोलॉजी के बगैर नहीं. डोंट ट्राई टू वेव अवे विदाउट टेक्नोलॉजी, है ना. इसके खिलाफ नहीं जा सकते, इसके साथ ही रहना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को. So do you not there is a question for you. Do you not see rapid industrialization as a time of progress and modernity? क्या आप नहीं देखते कि रैपिड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, इंडस्ट्रीज का ग्रो होना, ये क्या एक साइन नहीं है कि ये मॉडर्निटी की तरफ हम लोग जा रहे हैं? डू यू थिंक द स्प्रेड ऑफ द रेलवेज एंड द फैक्ट्रीज, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स, है ना, ये जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं आजकल कि रेलवेज का ग्रो होना, फैक्ट्रीज का बढ़ जाना, है ना, नए टेक्नोलॉजीज, नए मशीन्स का यूज होना फैक्ट्रीज में, एंड द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स, है ना, एवरी कंट्री इज ट्राइंग टू मेक द हाईएस्ट, है ना, हाईएस्ट राइज बिल्डिंग्स, है ना, हाई ऑफ डिफरेंट हाइट्स, एंड इवन मेनी in many countries the bridges is, as well as in our country also, many bridges are also under construction, have been constructed also. So don't you think that it is the sign of society's development? Don't you think that is the sign of rapid industrialization? It is a time of progress and modernity. What do you think, my dear students? You will have to speak up over here. Let us see. Let us move to our next topic. Before the industrial revolution, now that is the good thing over here, that before the industrial revolution. Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.